Alright, like boys, welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be changing the brake pads on my F56 Mini Cooper S. I've got some yellow stuff EBC brake pads. They're absolutely spot on. So if you want to upgrade your brakes, definitely get some of these. I definitely recommend them. They're about £70, but they're well worth it. Like, they are really good pads. So yeah, I'm only going to be doing the brake pads today. I'm not going to be doing the discs. So I'll leave a link in the description to a video of a lad doing the discs and pads. So for anybody wanting to do both, there you go, you can go and check that one out. But yeah, I'll crack straight on, boys. I'll show you the process. So you want a 17mm socket for the wheel bolts. Loosen them off before you get the car up. So I'll get these all loosened with a 17mm and then I'll show you how we get the car up. So yeah, catch up in a second. So yeah boys, when you're getting the car up, you want to look under the car. You want to find where the jacking point is. I'll show you what it looks like. That is it right there. So you want to get this in, spot underneath that and jack it up using that. Because you want to jack it up using anything else. Otherwise it'll just bubble, it'll look awful. So yeah. So there, jack the car up. I've put a jack stand underneath the back, and I'm just gonna leave this here. It's strained, but it's not still in the air. So yeah. Are you ready to take the wheel off? So once the wheel is off, you want a 13mm spanner or socket, whatever you've got. Stick that on that bolt there, and then this is a 17. You need a 17 to keep this from moving. So just lock that on there, and obviously rotate one way and hold the other one the other way. See, I'll show you how we do it now. The passenger side has a brake pad wear sensor on, and to get this off, I think you just use, I can't remember how I did it last time, you can just use a little flathead screw to get it out. All I did was stick my flathead screwdriver right in, and it just popped it out. So it's nice and easy to do. But yeah, I've loosened this bolt off down here as well, and I've took the caliper off. What you want to do is you want to rest the caliper somewhere so this isn't under stress, under strain, you know what I mean? So yeah, make sure you don't, not just leaving that hanging. But yeah, these are pads. You can tell they're not even bad at all, but they were rubbish, so yeah, I'll take them off. But yeah, all you want to do to get these off is just a little flathead screwdriver. Little flathead screwdriver again. There you go. Pop off nice and easy. Just pull it out. Like that. Absolutely tons on them, but yeah, they're just way doing the job, so yeah. I'll get the upgrade ones. Where's your upgrade, the bad boys? Hopefully you can see. That's good, isn't it? Right. As you can see with these pads, this bit here, the bit that looks like this, is the bit where the brake pads wear sensor goes. So you always put this in, the inside one. You always put this in this way. Otherwise, if you put it in that way, your caliper won't go back on. We need to push this pedal. So all I do is I do a caliper rewind till I just get a clamp, put the old brake pad in. You want to just give all this a good clean before you push it back. So yeah, once you give that a good clean, start pushing. There you go, that's one back in now. Lovely jubbling. Just get that back out of the way. So now, get your copper grease, and you want to grease, put a bit of copper grease on the back of the pads. It just helps with the noise and stuff and vibrations and all that. and you can stick a bit of copper grease in these little bits if you want as well. But you don't want to stick too much in because you don't really want them to go on the disc shot or anything like that. So yeah, only stick a little tiny bit in. Right boys, so I finally got the pads in. These bits are a bit of a nuisance to get in, so just slap a bit of copper grease on them. And what I did was I got a flathead screwdriver, and like imagine it was still out here. I just pushed on this little bit here, that bit there, and it just popped straight in. So yeah, if you're struggling to get it in, just get a flathead screwdriver and push it in. Right, there you go, the caliper is back on, boys. Well, it's not back on even tightened it yet, but you know what I mean. You want to take this was in there, you want to take this out of there, stick it on to your brake pad wear sensor. You probably should get a new brake pad wear sensor because when I put mine on, like, it's going to be broke, so yeah, let's just wear it, don't forget you. Just completely forgot. But yeah, there you go, just straight back on nice and easy. And then once that is on, you can tighten the bolts back. Put a bit of Loctite on. You want to just line the caliper back up like that, and then this should just screw. If you've got it lined up properly, that is. Screw it back in like that. Get it nice and tight, and then you stick the bottom one in as well. So if you want to tighten these down to the correct torque amount, it is 30 Newton meters of torque that you want to tighten down to. But however, I can't even just tighten it down like that, so yeah. Put a torque wrench in the garage, but it should be all good until it falls off. So you want to wheels that one, you want to torque it down to 140 Newton meters. You can do it to 140 or 145, just depends whatever you want to do really. I just do it to 140. because they look absolutely atrocious at the moment. So yeah, but yeah, how much better does that look with the yellow in there, you know what I mean? So yeah, you ready to put the wheel back on now? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's probably not the best video, but yeah, it's better than nothing, and I'm sure you get the gist of from it, you know what I mean? So hopefully it'll help you change your brakes. If you need any advice, just drop them in the comments. I'll give you the advice all day long. Or you can follow me on Instagram at ggc_mini, and I'll just DM me and I'll help you straight away. I send you like little photos or videos if you need any help like that, you know what I mean? So yeah, just give us a shout, and I'll catch you in the next one, boys.